In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create checklists in Confluence. By the end of this video, you'll know how to add interactive checklists, assign tasks to teammates, and set due dates to keep your projects organized. Start by opening the Confluence page where you want to add your checklist and click Edit. The quickest way to create a checklist is to type followed by the spacebar. Confluence automatically converts it into an interactive checkbox. Simply type your task and press Enter to add more checklist items. You can also type Action Item and select the Action Item macro from the suggestions. Another option is to click the task list or checkbox icon in the editor toolbar to insert a new checklist item. To assign a task, type @ followed by a teammate's name and select them from the list. If you want to add a due date, type and choose a date from the calendar picker. As tasks are completed, simply click the checkbox to mark them as done. You can edit, reassign, or uncheck tasks at any time if your project changes. Once your checklist is ready, click Publish or Update to save your page. And that's how to create checklists in Confluence. Thanks for watching.